That's it. This is it. This is the one. That's what my wife told me actually when I gave this hoodie, poncho, blanket, heated blanket to her, which is 50 by 60. It's actually pretty big. And it is so soft. I'm trying it for the first time over here, and it's super soft. This kind of like shawl Sherpa fabric that it has inside and outside feels really nice. It has pockets. It has pockets right here, so you can actually put your tissues. If you're watching a sad movie like a rom-com, you can put your remote controller. You can put your devices like your cell phone, for example. But it's super easy to operate. Once that is connected to the power source, which by the way, the cable could be just a couple feet longer, I think, so probably like 2 feet longer or something like that. It's not bad at all. You can actually move freely with this one, no issues at all. But I wish that it could be just a tiny little bit longer, just that. But also, with that being said, it is really easy to operate. You have this control over here, which is going to give you 10 different levels of heating, which is going to be really nice. You just like press on. Once that is there, you have the heat that goes from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So that's actually pretty good. That's going to give you those six levels of heating over here. But also the other good thing is also you're going to have a timer. The timer, which is also super easy to operate. It goes from 2 hours to 4 hours to 8 hours to 10 hours. So if you're going for a marathon of a really nice TV show and you're gonna be like 4 hours there, you can just leave it for 4 hours and then auto shuts off. The hoodie over there, you can see that it's pretty convenient as well, and it comes with 2 buttons over here in case that you don't want to have it like super enclosed. So that is another good thing as well. I like it. I think it's super soft with the remote controller, 50 by 60 with pockets, and of course super cozy and warm. It's warming up already. Warms up pretty fast, I have to say. It's on level 5, so I'm gonna actually have to maybe notch it down a little bit because this one on 5, it is hitting. I have to say that it's hitting pretty nicely. It comes with the usual manual over here, but you're not gonna need it. Of course, this is super easy to operate. And of course, you put the buttons over here, chill and relax with this really nice poncho heated blanket. I like it. I love it. And my wife loves it, which is the most important thing. I'm gonna give it a huge thumbs up. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.